This video for F8, finding the missing side of a rectangle if you're given the perimeter. So we've been given 50 toothpicks or 50 cubes or 50 blocks or something to build this whole rectangle. And we know this side is going to be 5, left side, which also means the right side is going to be 5. The top is L, which means the bottom is also going to be L. So I'm going to add the numbers I have there. 5 plus 5 is 10. So of the 50 original toothpicks or whatever we had, we've used 10. If I subtract, we're at 40 left. But I have to build the top and the bottom, so I'm going to take 40 and divide it by 2. Oh, it looks like 20 is a magic number right there. It is. I'm already to 0. So L equals 20, which also means this L equals 20. If you want to check it really fast, you can. 20 plus 20 is 40. 5 plus 5 is 10. 40 plus 10 gets me to 50. Let's try another one. This time we got 60 to start. And we've used 12 on one side. 12 plus 12 is going to get me to 24. And from the original 60, I'm going to have to borrow. I'm at 36, which I need to split up between the top and the bottom, 2 sides. I can take out 10 groups of 2. That would be 20. I'm at 16. Oh, I can take another 8 groups of 2. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm down to nothing. 10 plus 8 is 18. So T would equal 18. Try another one out. This time I'm starting with 26. And I've used 11 on the top, 11 on the bottom, and I got S and S. 11 plus 11 is 22. Subtract that from 26. Only got 4 left, which sounds like it could be my answer, but remember we're building 2 sides, so it's really 4 divided by 2, which would be 2. So S equals 2, and this S also equals 2. Starting with 36, Q for the top and bottom, 4 for the 2 sides. 4 plus 4 is 8. Take that away from 36. I'm going to need to borrow. 16 minus 8 is 8. 2 minus nothing is 2. Splitting it 2 ways, remember, because we're building the top and the bottom out of this. I can see a 10 real fast. 10 groups of 2 would be 20. I'm down to 8. That would be 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. If there's nothing left, 10 plus 4 is 14. Whoa, 100 for the whole perimeter. The side's Y, the side's 13. 13 plus 13 is 26. I can do that one in my head without regrouping. Taking the 26 away from the 100 I started with. 0 minus 6 I can't do. This looks like a good strategy would be chunk in the trunk. So I borrow 1 from the 10. He goes to 9. The 0 goes to 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 74. And we're going to split it up between the top and the bottom, so we're dividing by 2. I'm going to start with 20. 2 times 20 is 40. I'm at 34. I can't do another 20, but I can do 10. 10 times 2 is 20. I'm at 14. And then 7 times 2 is going to get me to 14. And I'm done. Add them up. 20 plus 10 plus 7. Oh, Y equals 37. I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. This one's a little bit tricky. So my whole perimeter is only 9. And the top is 4, so the bottom must be 4. And that side is C, so this must be C. 4 plus 4 is 8. So I've used up 8 of the 9. 9 minus 8 gets me 1. So I'm supposed to be doing 1 divided by 2. And people are already going, oh, I can't do that because 1 times 2 equals 2. Think this way. I have one piece left that I have to split between this side and this side. So if I split it in half, each side gets 1/2. Nice and tricky. Let's try just a couple of division ones to make sure we still remember what's going on. Numbers that I'd like to divide by are 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, 1. So really fast, I can see I can do 100. So I'm doing 100 groups of 2. I try to get the kids to think of a problem and go with this. Something that has 2 wheels would be bikes. So we have 316 wheels, and we're trying to make bicycles. So I'm making 100 groups of 2, because 100 times 2 would be 200. And now I'm at 116. I can't do another 100 because that 100 groups of 2 would be 200, and I don't have that many. So I'm going to drop down to 50. 50 groups of 2 is 50 times 2, that's 100. And now I'm at 16. 10 times 2 would be 20. Oh, it's less than 10. I got this one. It's 8. 8 groups of 2 is the same as 8 times 2 is 16. And we got nothing left. I just add them up. 100 plus 50 plus 8. Give me 158. Let's try another one just to see if we got any remainders coming. Okay, again, it looks like 100 groups of 3 would be great. This time there are 3 wheels on a tricycle, so I'm trying to make tricycles, and I got 417 wheels. 300 gets me to 117. Can't do another 100 groups of 3. Can't do 50 groups of 3 because that'd be 150. Let's go to 20. 20 groups of 3 would be 20 times 3. That's 60. And I'm now at 57. Oh, can't quite do 20 groups, so I'm going to go to 10. 10 groups of 3 would be 30. I subtract. I'm now at 27, and now I know it's below 10. Since I'm really good at my 3s, and I know my 3 song, I know that 3 times 9 is 27. I don't have anything left. If I add these up, 100 plus 20 plus 10 plus 9, 139.